I want to very quickly just go over the issue about presenting posters with students, especially we've got a sort of a mass poster session with students coming into the new year. Now the problem is this. Here's a poster. We can present it directly. We can present it over Zoom, and we can see us. We can see that there's a poster, but I don't know about you, but I would not be able to read that text off the screen. Certainly not over a Zoom link. Normally when we're looking at posters in a room or whatever, the presenter gives the presentation, but the viewer is able to look at different parts of the poster and zoom up accordingly. However, if you do this over PowerPoint over Zoom, the viewer has no control over the poster and cannot zoom in that form. So that basically doesn't work. It's just a crappy presentation. So an alternative to doing this over Zoom, which I wouldn't recommend, is to use a tool called Miro, and this is a online whiteboard tool. There's other variants of this as well, other online whiteboards. And what you can do is you can take the poster, which has been developed in PowerPoint, so it's still the standard process of making a poster, and all you do is Control-C, you just copy it and paste it into this format. Really easy. Now it takes a bit of a while to paste it through, so I'll just go to one I've copied over in the past. Now what you can do then with the presenter, you can either just let's go over do it via the Zoom process so that you can see what it would look like. So you can present this, you have your standard Zoom, the other person can see your Zoom, you can maybe minimize it so you can see what's being presented. But the viewer can also have this Miro software, and therefore the viewer can be zooming in and zooming out and looking at different parts of the poster while the presenter is presenting and talking. So this gives much more of a real poster experience. So if we are going to do this with the students, I would recommend using either this tool or something very similar. But we just cannot use this, PowerPoint over Zoom. It's just a rubbish experience, and it's not